everyone. Today we are going to draw and shade a rabbit. Before starting with the sketch, we'll first mark the areas. I leave 2 finger space from the top and 3 finger space and mark at that portion. Then I again leave 3 finger space, mark, and then again I leave 5 finger space and mark. Then from here you draw half circle like this for the face. Next add a slant line like this, and then another slant line, a small one from this side, and a curve over here. Over here mark the area for the nose. This is not the final nose, but we are just marking the area as of now. And from here I'll add the hand. It goes like this, then here and here like this. Now over here add a curvy line like this, making the stomach of the rabbit. It should be like a circle. Now draw the carrot over here. Draw a line like this and another slant line from the other side, making a V shape here. Add a curved end from the top over here. Then add the hand over here, make a C shape again, a small one for the hand, and add some lines. Then add the feet of the rabbit, a curved line here like this, a small one, and a bigger one at the bottom like this. Now add the other feet as well over here. Add a curvy line and join it from the bottom over here like this. Add the tail over here. These are all just the markings. We are not adding the final lines right now, but the basic structure of the rabbit. Now from the top make a line like this for the ears. Observe the curve that I'm making over here for the ears. Then add a second line from the top. It is thin at the top and it gets broader as you go down. And another line on the other side like this. In the same way, you make the other ear as well, the other one. Now we'll start adding the eyes and we'll start finalizing the details as well. Over here make 2 spots like this and make a U shape over here and join them with a slant line following the line that we have made prior to this one in the beginning of the sketch. Then add eyeball over here. I'll shade the eyeball, leaving the highlight. Now we'll start by darkening out and finalizing the lines as well. So I'm finalizing this line. I press hard on my pencil and put forward this line like this. And this is not a smooth line, it's kind of crooked and it shows the fur of the rabbit. From the center we have a line as well for its fur again. I'll draw another eye over here using the same technique. Adding more details on the eyes, darkening up the top portion. I think I need to redo this portion. I'm erasing it, and with a very light pencil I'll add lines over here like this in the flow of the fur and circular as well. Then I'll draw its nose over here, darken it up, make the center line and make the curved line of the mouth. Now we'll add some shade over here using a very light pencil. Just add these strokes. You apply pressure in the beginning of the line and then you slowly release it, making a stroke in shading over here. Over here, add the leaves as well. A little more details on the eyes, and we'll add the eyebrows as well over here on the left side and on the right side as well. Now darkening up the right line as well. And using a pencil now I'll add some darker shades here and here as well. Then again using the pencil darken up the lines of the mouth here and here as well for the carrot. Now I'll shade the mouth portion here. The other side as well, and using the pencil I'll again darken up the body of the rabbit. Now while doing this hand, I'll add some lines for its paws and shade this up as well in a similar way. Remember, we do not need to blend it up, it's just a rough strokey shading for the rabbit. Now we'll outline the ears and we'll shade up the inner part of the ears as well. Repeat the steps for the other ear too. For this ear, the thinner portion that is visible on the left side, this portion will be dark and the broader portion will be light. completely opposite of the other ear. Now using a pencil, shade the lines of the hand over here and here as well. Now we'll shade its stomach over here. Shade the lower part of the hand, the right side, and the tail. We'll darken up the lines for the tail and shade this portion as well. Just follow my lead and notice where it's dark, where it's light, where it's something in between light and dark, and just make the strokes this way. You do not have to blend everything together, but make sure that your strokes align with each other. Now I'm darkening out the lines of the carrot. We do not need to color this up as we will be using pencil colors for this carrot, making a focal point in our picture. Using the orange color, I add color over here like this. It is dark on the borders and there's a highlight in the middle. I will also darken up these lines. More three-dimensional look this way. Just add the color over here, blur its edges, and you're good to go. Then using light green color, simply color the leaves. That's all that we need to do. Now once you are done with this, using the pencil, add some strokes for the floor as well. Few strokes like this, in this direction. Make sure it's fast and not slow. Otherwise, it's very likely that you will get shaky lines. It will be dark near the rabbit, and as you move away, it will be light. I added few more details in the picture, and that's it. We are done.